I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Donald on the application of Threads. You will go here to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about the application of Threads and you will click here in this window. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your watching and your attention.